Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. I am so happy to have you here today because we are going to discuss something that can truly change the way the world looks at you. We all want to be treated with kindness, importance, and most importantly, respect. But have you ever felt like people don't take you seriously? Have you ever noticed that even when you try your best, others seem to overlook you or treat you like you don't matter? Respect is not something you can demand from people, it is something you earn through your behavior and your daily habits. Sometimes, without even realizing it, we carry small habits that slowly destroy our reputation and make people lose their admiration for us. Today, I want to share with you 8 common habits that might be making you lose respect, and I will show you how to fix them so you can become a person of high value and influence. The first habit that causes a massive drop in respect is the habit of making promises you cannot keep. We often say yes to things because we want to be liked or because we don't want to hurt someone's feelings in the moment. You might tell a friend you will help them move on Saturday, or tell your boss a report will be ready by noon, even when you know you are too busy. When you fail to deliver, you aren't just missing a deadline, you are telling the world that your word means nothing. People respect those they can rely on. If your yes doesn't mean yes, then your voice loses its power. To fix this, start practicing the art of saying no politely. It is much better to be honest about your limits than to overpromise and underdeliver. When you only make promises you intend to keep, people begin to see you as a person of integrity. Another major habit that kills respect is constantly complaining and acting like a victim. We all face challenges and hard days, but there is a big difference between sharing a struggle and making complaining your personality. When you always talk about how unfair life is, how bad your luck is, or how everyone is out to get you, people eventually get tired of listening. They begin to see you as someone who is weak and unwilling to take responsibility for their own life. Strong people do not sit around waiting for sympathy, they look for solutions. If you want people to respect you, stop focusing on the problem and start focusing on the progress. When you face a challenge with a positive attitude and a can-do spirit, people will naturally look up to you as a leader and a source of inspiration. The third habit is one that many people struggle with without knowing it, and that is gossiping about others. It feels tempting to share a secret or talk about someone's mistakes when they aren't in the room, but this is a trap. When you gossip to someone, that person immediately thinks that you are probably gossiping about them when they are gone, too. Gossip shows a lack of character and a lack of security. People of high value speak about ideas, goals, and positive things. If you have nothing good to say about someone, it is often better to say nothing at all, by staying out of the drama and protecting the reputation of people who aren't present. You prove that you are a person who can be trusted with anything. One of the fastest ways to lose respect in a conversation is the habit of constantly interrupting others. When you cut someone off while they are speaking, you are silently sending a message that says what you have to say is much more important than what they are saying. It shows a lack of patience and a lack of empathy. Respect is a two-way street, and if you want people to listen to you, you must first show them that you are a great listener. Instead of thinking about what you want to say next, Try to really understand the person speaking. Wait for them to finish, pause for a second, and then respond. This small change makes the other person feel valued, and they will naturally respect you more because you made them feel heard. We also need to talk about the habit of being late. I know that in some cultures, being a few minutes late is seen as normal, but in the world of high-value individuals, time is the most precious resource. When you show up late for a meeting, a date, or a simple gathering, you are telling the other person that your time is more valuable than theirs. It is a sign of disrespect. Being punctual shows that you are organized, disciplined, and that you honor your commitments. If you want to be respected, make it a rule to arrive 5 minutes early. This simple habit shows that you are a professional and that you take other people's lives seriously. The sixth habit that lowers your value is seeking validation from everyone. If you are always asking for permission or asking "was that okay?" after everything you do, you appear insecure. While it is good to be humble, there is a point where looking for constant approval makes you look like you don't trust yourself. People respect those who have their own opinions and who stand by their decisions. You don't need everyone to like you, and you certainly don't need everyone to agree with you. When you start trusting your own intuition and acting with confidence, even if you make a mistake, people will respect the fact that you took a stand. The seventh habit is not taking care of your physical appearance and personal hygiene. Now, this isn't about wearing expensive clothes or being a supermodel. This is about self-respect. If you don't take the time to groom yourself, dress neatly, and look presentable, you are signaling to the world that you don't value yourself. And if you don't value yourself, why should anyone else? Taking care of your health and your appearance shows that you have discipline and that you take pride in who you are. When you walk into a room looking like you care about yourself, people instinctively treat you with more importance. Finally, the eighth habit is being unable to admit when you are wrong. Many people think that admitting a mistake makes them look weak, but it is actually the opposite. It takes a very strong and secure person to say the words, "I was wrong, I apologize, and I will do better." When you argue and make excuses even when you are clearly at fault, you look small and stubborn. Admitting your mistakes builds a bridge of trust. It shows that you value the truth more than your own ego. People will always respect an honest person who takes responsibility over a person who tries to hide behind lies. Changing these habits is not something that happens overnight, but being aware of them is the first step toward a better version of yourself. Start by picking one of these areas today and focus on improving it. As you shed these old habits, you will notice a shift in how people look at you and how they speak to you. You deserve to be respected, but you must build the character that earns that respect. Keep pushing forward, keep learning, and keep growing. If you liked this video and found it helpful for your personal growth and your English journey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one.